Hello. In today's uncertain economic climate, many people are worried about their bank account balances. This is particularly true if you're living paycheck to paycheck. However, the good news is that there are legitimate ways to earn money from home without spending any money up front. Watch until the end to learn about 20 real ways to make money from home for free. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. 1. Sell items online. If you have a talent for crafting or collecting items, you can sell them on eBay or Etsy. eBay is a popular online marketplace where you can sell anything from electronics to vintage items. Etsy is a platform for handmade and vintage items, as well as craft supplies. Both platforms are free to use, but they charge a small commission on each sale. To succeed on eBay or Etsy, you need to create high-quality listings with detailed descriptions and attractive photos. Craigslist and OfferUp are great for local sales, while Poshmark and Declutter work best for specific niches like designer clothes or tech equipment. 2. Create a YouTube channel and earn money online. Creating your own YouTube channel is a great way to share your unique talents and interests with a global audience. With a smartphone, you can create fun skits, unboxing videos, and product tutorials. You can sign up for a free YouTube channel using your Google account. You can make money with your YouTube channel in various ways, such as earning from ads after reaching 1,000 subscribers, partnering with brands, selling merchandise, or becoming an affiliate. To ensure success, focus on a specific niche that interests you. Whether it's beauty tutorials, tech product reviews, or daily cryptocurrency updates. 3. Become a JustAnswer expert. JustAnswer seeks out experts such as mechanics, veterinarians, home repair specialists, and lawyers to provide timely advice to subscribers. As an expert, you can answer questions and earn money helping others. As a new expert, you can earn 20% of the user's payment, which can increase up to 50% of the fee with high ratings. You can receive payouts via PayPal and offer expertise in various subcategories. 4. Join a focus group. Participate in paid market research studies to determine people's attitudes towards specific products, brands, or ideas. You can get paid $30 to $150 per hour for a focus group, with some very specific ones paying up to $450. Several websites offer focus groups, including Respondent, User Interviews, L&E Research, focusgroup.com, and 20 Panel. 5. Transcribe audio and video files. Speech-to-text transcription is getting easier with artificial intelligence, but it's still not perfect. As a result, a large number of companies use transcriptionists to turn audio from videos into text that is accurate. With companies like Rev, you can work part-time or freelance on specific projects with various firms. You are usually able to choose which assignments you want to work on and set your own schedule at most companies. In addition, no money is needed up front. Just use the computer's speakers to transcribe. You'll need strong typing skills to succeed as a transcriber. Also, for clients to understand your work, it must be error-free and easy to understand. You can practice transcribing short audio files so that you're ready to apply for transcription jobs. When transcriptionists are just starting out without specialization or expertise, they usually make between $14 and $26 an hour. 6. Participate in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn passive income online by promoting products or services on your website or social media platforms. You earn a commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale are free to join and offer a wide range of products to promote. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to create high-quality content that is relevant to the product or service you are promoting. You also need to build a loyal following on your website or social media platform. 7. Take online surveys. Online surveys are a popular way to earn extra cash in your free time. Companies like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vendel Research pay you to complete surveys, watch videos, and play games. The pay for each survey varies depending on the company and the length of the survey. However, you can earn up to $50 per survey in some cases. The best part is that you can do it from the comfort of your own home. 8. Review a mock trial. Watch a mock trial online on websites such as edgery.com, Online Verdict, and Virtual Jury and receive payment based on the time it takes to review. Payment amounts range from $20 to $60, and you can do it from your home. 9. Rent out your space on Airbnb. If you have an extra room or an entire property that you're not using, you can rent it out on Airbnb and earn extra income. Airbnb is a popular platform that connects travelers with locals who have space to rent. You can list your space on Airbnb for free, and you have complete control over the price, availability, and rules. The amount you can earn depends on the location, the size of your space, and the demand for it. 10. Sell your skills on Fiverr. Fiverr is a website that allows you to offer your specialty skills to businesses, individuals, or employers in exchange for quick standalone tasks. You can earn as low as $5 and more, depending on the job. On Fiverr, you can write letters, answer emails, perform minor graphic functions, and offer other skills you possess. It's a free platform where you can choose the services to provide. 11. Work as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants earn $23.89 per hour on average. As a virtual assistant, you can manage social media pages, respond to emails, and answer phone calls for businesses. You can create your personal brand and promote it to entrepreneurs through a Facebook business page, which you can create for free and share online. Apply for VA jobs on Indeed, Upwork, or virtual assistant jobs. 12. Write on Medium. You can share your writing on any topic on Medium and earn money right away, unlike starting a blog from scratch. Writers on Medium get paid for their stories based on how many people read and interact with them. The top earners make over $10,000 per month, but the most make less than $100. Post your writing on your blog first, then on Medium, referencing the original post. 13. Make money with your photography skills. You can sell your photos as stock images on websites like 500px, Alamy, Adobe Stock, Burst, iStock, Shutterstock, StockC, and Zenfolio. You can also sell physical prints of your photos online using print-on-demand marketplaces like Printful, Redbubble, or CafePress. 14. Offer social media consulting services. If you have a social media presence, you can use your skills to help businesses gain more followers. Promote your portfolio on digital marketing forums and groups, and include a link in your email when reaching out to potential clients. Social media consultants can earn an average of $52,453 per year. 15. Earn money doing what you love. Imagine being able to work from home doing something you truly enjoy. Whether you love watching videos, listening to music, or playing games, there are ways to turn your hobbies into cash. With Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars, you can earn money by watching movie previews, TV shows, news, and commercials. You can redeem your points for cash via PayPal or gift cards from various retailers. If you enjoy listening to and rating music, Slice the Pie, Playlist Push, and Hit Predictor offer payment for each review you provide. The amount you earn varies, but high-quality, detailed reviews are typically rewarded with higher payouts. Payments are made via PayPal to reviewers. Gamers can also earn money by playing games on sites like CoinPop and Swagbucks. CoinPop allows you to exchange coins for cash or gift cards, while Swagbucks rewards you for playing games regularly. Although the payouts may seem small at first, they add up over time. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make money while having fun. Sign up today. 16. Start tutoring online. Earn money from home. If you're an expert in a particular subject, such as math or science, you can make money by tutoring online. With sites like Wyzant, Chegg, Schooly, and TutorMe, it's easy to find students who need help with their studies. Online tutoring has become increasingly popular in recent years, even for non-conventional subjects like test preparation and English as a second language. And with the demand for career-specific skills on the rise, you could even teach people skills that will help them in their careers. The possibilities are endless, and you could earn several $100s a month by tutoring online. 17. Make money as a dog sitter or dog walker. If you love animals and enjoy taking walks, becoming a professional dog sitter or walker could be the perfect side hustle for you. You can make money while getting some exercise, and earnings are determined by how often you work. To get started, offer a discount to your first clients and ask them for referrals. Ideally, you want to lock in regular clients needing you for weekly walks. You can find local clients by marketing your services on sites like Rover, or by asking your friends, family, and neighbors. You could also earn more income by offering pet sitting services and charging an overnight fee for keeping other animals besides dogs. 18. Become an online travel agent. If you have a knack for finding the best travel deals, why not put your skills to use and become a virtual travel agent? The job of a travel agent is to help people plan their vacations, business trips, and personal travel by arranging connecting flights, accommodations, sightseeing tours, and more. And now, with the rise of online booking, becoming an online travel agent is easier than ever. Becoming an online travel agent doesn't require any special certification. All you need is research and organizational skills to plan a seamless trip for your clients within their budget. Plus, you can partner with different companies to get discounts for your clients. You can even find home-based travel agent jobs on sites like FlexJobs and ZipRecruiter. According to Salary.com, the average salary for an online travel agent in the United States is $64,067 per year as of February 16, 2023. 19. Earn money by referring your friends and family. Did you know you can get paid for referring your friends and family to certain businesses? Credit card companies, banks, and retailers often offer referral bonuses to customers who refer new businesses. To take advantage of this, look for a referral page after making your own purchase. You will be given a personal link to share with others, and everyone who clicks on your link and buys the service or product will earn you a referral bonus. Payouts vary depending on the company, with some offering as little as $10 and others as much as $500 a year. For example, T-Mobile offers $50 for successful referrals, while Capital One's Refer a Friend program could earn you up to $500 a year if your referral is approved for a credit card. 20. Become an online researcher. Are you an expert at finding information online? If you have a knack for providing accurate and reliable sources, you can now turn your web search skills into a paid job. Many companies are looking for online researchers who can help them gather data and insights in various fields. Some examples of companies that regularly hire online researchers are 10EQS, Boston Scientific, CrowdStrike, and Humana. While some companies may require a bachelor's degree in research experience, others are more flexible. As an online researcher, you can earn anywhere from $8 to $35 per question answered, depending on the complexity and scope of the research. Ready to put your Google skills to work? Check out job boards and freelance platforms like Upwork, FlexJobs, and Wonder to find online researcher jobs that match your expertise. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you try all, if not some, of these ways to make money online. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.